As the 21st century unfolds the new and modern face of the world, the Republic of India, in its 65 years of freedom, still strives to fight for the basic necessities of life. The city which never sleeps, also known as Mumbai, being a metropolitan and one of the main hubs for various activities, carries a major irony of having Asia's one of the largest slums, Dharawai. Faridabad seems to be catching up fast with Mumbai when it comes to sprawling slums. With 46% of its population living in slum areas, it's only second to Mumbai, which has 54% people residing in slums. The main aim of this documentary is to show the bitter truth of India, which will pinch your heart straight away, because the truth shown here is the truth which each one of us sees each day. But the silence and the absence of courage in our hearts makes us close our eyes and also act deaf. Every single Indian is very proud of being a part of a country which is urbanizing very fast. This journey from an underdeveloped country to a developing country has been breathtaking. But what remains hidden behind the high-rising buildings and the lights of the modern day nightlife really makes us ask ourselves whether is it really worth having this pride in us, or belonging to a country where the slum population is skyrocketing is a matter of shame, is the real question. Our country has one of the best skyscrapers but is unable to provide shelter to more than 60% of the total population. Our government, which spends crores in organizing sports events and rallies, is still unable to provide a solution to this mass problem of the country. These slums, which comprises of population which if given proper working platform to perform, could turn into the strongest assets to the country, is instead today nothing more than just a liability. The never-ending promises of the politicians have failed each time in the past 66 years.
नेता वोट भी ले जाते हैं, रैली भी उनकी देते हैं, सब कुछ करते हैं, कोई नहीं आता। टाइम पे बोल जाते हैं, फिर दोबारा नहीं आते यहाँ पे कोई भी।
The government says we have been successful in providing water supply to most slum dwellers.
गंदगी का पानी पी गई बाबू, ये हाथ जोड़ के हमारी प्रार्थना है। आप
लड़ाई करते हैं पानी के साथ,
इतने बच्चे, छोटे बच्चे प्यासे मरते हैं।
फार्म भर दिए, अभी तक नहीं आए। सारा सरकार लगने वाले के पहले भर दिए गरीबान, उनके अभी तक वो लिस्ट नहीं आई। लिस्ट के नाम आगे, उनकी अभी ना लिस्ट दे रहे ना कुछ दे रहे।
तो मौसम की जैसे बदली है तो यहाँ पे क्या कोई मतलब सरकार की
कोई सुविधा नहीं है।
की जो भी
डेंगू ज़्यादा, पब्लिक बहुत बीमार हुई पड़ी है और
90%
हॉस्पिटल में भी
यहाँ पे इतनी बुरी
हालत खराब है बेचारे। ये है ना कोई कुछ सुविधा नहीं आते हैं।
We are also constructing 4,000 flats for the poor, but still people are full of complaints and say that in their cluster of 500 jhuggies, they just have a privilege of a single water tank a day. The government, which enters its final year of tenure next year, is least bothered about these people and has left no part of their life and body unsucked for their own political advantage. This silence will penetrate its root deeper and deeper and will kill our nation and its pride one day. Wake up and listen to your conscience. Stand for the ones who deserve much more than what they have today.